Glam Kitchen fam, and welcome new viewers. My name is Shantae, and welcome to my kitchen, the Glam Kitchen. Today's top tier recipe is shrimp Rasta Pasta. Here in the Glam Kitchen, I teach you how to make top tier recipes at home. Get cozy, child, because we are about to go in. Listen, I've got you covered. All of the ingredients and instructions are listed below in the link in my description box. If you missed something, again, please know you can click on that link. Let's get our jerk shrimp together first. I'm using 1 pound of extra large shrimp. I love cooking with the 1620 size shrimp. I want you to add about 1.5 tablespoons of Walker Wood jerk seasoning. I use the mild flavor, but if you like it spicy, use spicy. And also add a garlic powder and onion powder. Mix that together so that all of the shrimp are evenly coated with your seasonings, and then you're gonna set that aside. And now let's assemble our pasta. Start out by heating a skillet with about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and about 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Add 1 medium sliced green bell pepper, 1 medium red sliced bell pepper, and 3 sprigs of chopped green onion or scallion, whatever you like to call it. We are going to saute these veggies for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are tender. Boil and drain 16 ounces of penne pasta noodles and set those aside. Now, we are ready to really get it popping with the sauce. Major key, pour in 2 cups of heavy cream. Half a cup of coconut milk. Please use coconut milk. This is what's giving it the island vibes. A half a cup of low or no sodium chicken broth. Trust me on this. I know you're probably like, where in the world does chicken broth go in this recipe? But it's gonna work. Give that a good stir. We want to stir this and let this simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now we're gonna go in and season our sauce. Start out with some all-purpose seasoning. You better be using Glam Kitchen. I'm just kidding. Use your favorite all-purpose seasoning. Then I'm going in with 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. I'm then adding a little paprika, dried thyme. Again, the full recipe and the exact measurements are available at the link in my description box. And then I went in with about 1/2 tablespoon of mild jerk seasoning. This is the Walker Wood jerk seasoning that I used on the shrimp. After we've seasoned it, I'm giving it a good stir. I am then gonna also let this cook a bit as well. Add in about 6 to 8 ounces of Parmesan cheese. You want to use shredded Parmesan cheese. After we've added our cheese, you want to go ahead and give it a good stir as well. As you can see, the temperature on this is about, I think I had it on medium low, but you just want to stir for about 5 to 7 minutes until that cheese is like fully combined into that sauce and it's to a nice consistency. My sauce is looking well seasoned, so now I'm gonna start on my shrimp. That seasoned shrimp that we set aside, grab those. You wanna add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a skillet, and you want to cook those shrimp until they are done. Don't overcook them. They don't need more than like 3 to 4 minutes, honestly. shrimp is cooked, and now we're gonna set them aside. Let's add our cooked noodles. Make sure you cook them al dente so that they're not soft, too soft, should I say. And then you're gonna go ahead and mix that together with the sauce. After you've added your noodles, let that cook together while you're stirring for about 5 to 8 minutes. Child, this looks good already. Woof. Grab your shrimp that you set aside and add it to that pot of pasta. We've added our jerk shrimp to our pot of Rasta Pasta, and now we're just gonna give it a good stir. I want you to stir this well until everything is completely combined. Like all of the flavors from that shrimp needs to be all up and through that pasta. And there you have it, y'all. Our pasta is plated, and that is a wrap on another top tier recipe. This recipe is full of flavor and definitely something that I recommend you try soon. If you made it to this point, again, you are a real one. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like and subscribe. Bye-bye.